Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a simple search engine in Excel without any need of programming knowledge. And what the objective is that if I input a term, then I would like all or only those rows to appear which have this term. It doesn't matter where they have that term, but basically they have the term somewhere. So if I input like Spain, I don't want to have only those rows appear where Spain is a country, but possibly a product which has Spain in it, or a brand which has Spain in it, and so on. Or if I input the number 45, then I would like to have like somebody who has 45 as carbs, or some 45 in here in the kilocalories, or some 45 as proteins, and so on. So how can I do that? Well, the simplest way is you insert a new column, just the way I did here, and then what you do, let me give that a name as well. Let's call it search. And what I do now is I basically concatenate all those things. Now, what does concatenate mean? Well, concatenate means we combine this and this and this. And the way that concatenation works, there are two ways to concatenate in Excel. One is to use the function concatenate, but that's too slow. And a much faster way is basically we start off like with any formula with an equal, and then you click on the first cell you wish to concatenate, and then you add an and basically you can go like this. And I just basically concatenated, if I just expand that, I concatenated basically these two. Now, I don't like concatenating cells like this. I prefer to have some sort of separator between the cells. And you can choose any separator you wish. I'm going to choose a hyphen, and then like this. So don't forget, when you concatenate, always between each entity just add an a sort of an ampersand. So basically it's the cell and then that hyphen and then the next cell, and that's the way it's going to go. Let me just copy that so it simplifies matters and we can speed the whole process up. So I paste that, and then I click on the next cell, paste that, and the next cell, paste that, next, paste, next, paste, next, oops, yeah, it doesn't matter, paste, next, paste, next. So got it. So now I've basically concatenated the whole content in one cell. You see, so the whole row is now in here, right? And I don't need to keep that big. This field is not that important. So now what I do, not that important to see basically, and then I just double click here and it just autofills down to the rest of the data. So that's the first step, and I could reduce it because this here is not to be seen, it's just as a useful tool. Now the next step is basically called AutoFilters. And now that's it. Now all I need to do, if I input any term, let's say Spain, and go, I would get all data where Spain is a country. Now you see here I got the Spains, and here apparently there are no Spain products or no products with Spain in them. Neither are there any brands. And let's try it out with something else. Let's try it out with a number. Let's say 45. And now here we can see we have 45 as carbs. Then we have here the 452. Yeah, that's where it is. And then we have here a 45 in fats. So you see, something like that would be useful if you have a lot of data and you wish to find where is that term in the data. I don't care where it is. I don't care whether it's a product or a country. I just need to know where that is in the data. That's the easy way to do it. Just concatenate the whole row, or and then search in that column where you concatenated all those rows.